picking up the car day. It says picking up the car day. You excited? Are you excited? It's a beautiful day to pick up a car. It's my last day with the Audi. I'm sad. It was a great year and a half, 2 years. It's a beautiful day out. I'm fucking excited, man. I mean, I'm not that ugly, right? Sad, sad day. It's the end of the big body. My favorite SUV. I drove the Urus. I drove the X6M, the Bentley Bentayga. Look at this fucking thing. I mean, look at that thing. Look at this fucking interior, man. I mean, look at that, man. I mean, my last day with the RSQ8. You know, I might as well get a few pulls left if you look at the fucking thing. Show the thing. 6 minutes until I pick up my car. You know, this is gonna be like...
Oh shit.
It's my last day with it. I want to enjoy it, you know. Maybe I'll buy it again. Who knows? I'm gonna miss that. I'm just...
What are you gonna miss?
I miss this car. I mean, look at it. It's a nice car, you know. But we're moving on to the Porsche GT3. I'm excited. I'm gonna blow it up, crash it, explode.
Don't you
probably
even.
die in it. Oh, so beautiful. Twin turbo V8, straight piped. I mean, yeah, SUV. I mean,
Jeez.
they're gonna be pissed when they get this car. It's got 4 flats on it. It's got 100 in the tank. I don't know. It's got 40 accidents on it.
Thank you.
Alright, man. It's my mom fucking recording, so if y'all complain, it's our dumbass fault. This is the end. It's the end of this car.
Any final thoughts?
We're gonna miss it. There's good memories in here, you know?
It's a great car.
But now we're on to bigger, better, and more life, more money, more blessings. Goodbye to the car. God, I mean, this is just custom Forgiato rims, carbon fiber everywhere. I'm trading it in. One day when I get more money, the SVJ. I mean, look at this thing. What the fuck? 812 super fast GTS, right? Look at these cars. GT3 RS, maybe one day. SVJ, another SVJ, Turbo S, a whole lot of cars. They have a Turbo S that's matching it. They got...
Fucking way. Are you kidding me?
Is that stupid?
What the are you serious?
I'm telling you, it's stupid.
Holy shit, man.
I mean, look at this thing. Let's get the back real quick. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's just waiting outside for me. I mean, look at this. Yo. Yo. Nah, this is crazy. Oh my god. I mean, bro, that is actually insane. So starting is just the key. Mm-hmm. So is this just
go to the right?
What the hell?
I read online, obviously. I'm not a dumbass, but like, if I downshift going fast, is this thing gonna fishtail?
No, not at all, bro.
Okay, so
No.
it's pretty standard. It's
Yeah. You can, the only way to fish it'll be from like maybe like first gear, tires are cold, or
Right, obviously, I'm not
launchy,
gonna-
or.
How long does it take for tires to really warm up?
Honestly, a little bit, bro. Even if the tires are cold, they still won't fish so bad.
Okay,
You
so
know?
this is a good car.
Yeah, a super good car, bro. Unless you take off like traction,
I'll never take that off.
you know what I mean? But I mean, you don't really need to, bro. And then right here you have a lift button.
And that's just up
It'll
down.
go up and down.
How many inches is it off the ground compared?
Or like 2-3 inches off the ground.
Jeez, look at this thing. I mean, it's like barely off the ground. I mean, look, yeah.
Oh my god.
Is this, so what is these, the trunk, there's obviously not a real trunk. It's just
Which
the engine
ones?
base.
But yeah, it's just the engine. Yeah. It's just to get access to the engine.
Oh my god, I got my first Porsche.
It's nuts. Let me take these off.
Oh my god, man. I mean, look at this thing, look at this thing. A GT motherfucking 3. We got 30% interest rate. We struck a deal. Y'all don't see. I'm crying, bro. This shit's insane. I'm gonna get the exhaust on it tomorrow. Mine.
What the fuck?
It's deep.
This is deep as shit.
This is mine, yo. I mean, I'll probably do it when I'm alone, but like, this is.
I knew one day.
It's really insane. Oh, because I knew I would do it one day. I just didn't think it would be that quick, you know? It's definitely like a crazy feeling. Obviously, getting a Porsche in general, fucking 21 by yourself is crazy. But a GT3 is the most like sought after car right now. Like every time they told me I couldn't, I did it. This is the GT3 992. Oh my god. The tires are warmed up, so I'm not gonna do no fucking fast shit. But I mean, you can hear this, and this is in regular mode, just like.
Ah! Dude!
Oh my god, that is ridiculous. I'm gonna wait till it's warmed up, man, but I mean, show the car. Like, look at this thing. This is my first driving, and I mean, look at these. There's already people looking. It's the first time people are looking at my car.
Shit, Ron. Okay.
Nah, this is diffy. This is stupid. This is stupid. I should not have this car.
Hi, what do you think?
Beautiful, bro.
I just want to get at least one, not launch, but like real sound of it.
You should get on the highway then,
Yeah.
towards like the crib.
Ready, watch this stuff. Ready?
Cause here just be careful. Here it has hella potholes.
Nah, bro, it's dumb. It is so dumb, and it's so easy to control. Don't make fun of me. Just woke up wearing Ken Carson merch. I'm going to get an exhaust on the car. They're gonna do it. It's probably gonna take like 5 hours. Titanium R1 exhaust. It's gonna be loud as fuck. This is the first day of me waking up to see this car. Like yesterday, it didn't even feel fucking real. Like, what? This is mine? Like, bro, it just doesn't make sense. I mean, literally, look at this thing, bro. Wait, actually, no. I gotta do a cold start for y'all, ready? Before I get the new exhaust. In the shop. Now, this is the new exhaust. It's titanium exhaust. I got the Urus Performante. What is this, the new off-road one? Is that F8 or a Pista? I don't even know. Turbo S. I mean, this thing is just... I gotta hear this thing. Thing sounds ridiculous already. Y'all can't hear it. He's gonna do a poll for me. Nah, this is stupid. This is dumb. Look at this thing. Oh my. Yeah. That sounds ridiculous, yo. I don't know if the camera even picks that up properly. Did he crash the car? Where'd the car at? Oh, here it comes. I mean, this thing just... Nah. That sounds insane. I'm in the elevator. It clicks. Lacey, Steve. This is my friend's reaction, you know, to the Porsche 992. Don't fake your reaction, bro.
Nice one.
I want to get your reaction.
I see it. I see her peeking out.
Yeah.
I see her peeking, bro.
Nah, it's crazy, bro. Got the exhaust on and everything. It's literally the exact same spec, bro. It's nowhere close.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
this is more mean than mine by a fucking mile.
Bro, this is sexy. Dog.
No, this is fucking sick. It's open. Yo.
This is crazy.
They did good on this shit.
Bro, this is fucking good, bro. I'm so happy. Why the fuck do you have a fire extinguisher?
Well, I don't know. In case there's a fire.
Damn.
Turn it on.
Let's hear it.
Dude, this is sick.
Titanium exhaust, right? Listen to this shit. Hold on, wait. Wait.
I need to get this exhaust now, bro.
Yeah, R1 kills it. The Turbo S, bro. Yeah, you can do it Turbo S, bro. It's R1's exhaust.
What is this?
Bro, I'm telling you, it's loud as shit. Cars here in New Jersey. It's delivery day. Nervous. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, big body.
Yeah. That's carbon fiber.
Yeah, a little bit.
Buy it just for him?
He bought it.
Yeah.
For you.
Oh my God. I mean, look at Doc. GT motherfucking 3.
What do you think?
My home.
Welcome home.
Yeah.
Whose car is this, Nick? Damn.
Yeah. This is in track mode. As you can see, it's loud. Basically, track mode is, it makes it so it goes to the highest RPMs. This car goes to 9,000 RPMs. I would make it way louder, but I'm obviously driving and I don't want to paddle shift with one hand, or, you know, this is an automatic PDK, so it's like smooth and everything. But I'll show you one sec. I'll show you a quick little how fast it really goes. It's only got 8,300 miles. I got it when it had 6,000, so I put about 2,000 miles on it. Man, I love it. I daily this car. It's really not hard to daily. I think people overestimate it and say it's pretty impossible. I drive it through the pouring rain. I drive it through normal weather. I drive it through everything. I don't care. Let me watch. So we're in second gear right now, but quick that shit is. I'm gonna paddle shift it with one hand. So I put it in manual now. You can really hear, I hope it sounds like it does on the camera, but like, this is only second gear, like. This thing is so fucking amazing. This is with the exhaust, the titanium exhaust. So, it does sound a little bit louder than stock. You can really hear how loud it gets. Ready? I mean, that's just obnoxious. I think the weirdest part about owning a car like this, considering I had an Audi RSQ8, which is still a fast fucking car, and it's loud, and it's expensive, and it's like very high up there luxury. Bro, this car gets so many fucking looks, it's insane. Regardless of it being like a supercar, I guess. Bro, this car is so loud, it's just, y'all just don't understand. It's just insane. Let me know if y'all want some POVs with the GoPro and everything. I'm down to do those. Shit shot me. It's about 3 months after, 2 months after, so I apologize for that, man, but I just want to say I am truly fucking blessed, and I want to thank y'all so much. I'm sorry, it's sunny out, not just woke up. I'm truly blessed to be able to buy this in my position, man. I mean, just look at this, bro. Like, I'm serious, man. If I could do it, y'all can do it too, man. A year ago, everyone was shitting on me. Everyone was telling me, you know, I can't do it, I can't do this, to quit, etc. All jokes aside, like, genuinely serious from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, thank y'all so much for believing in me, to my real people out there who, like, fuck with me heavy. It wasn't an easy year, but I bought this car as a reward for myself on my 21st birthday, to show myself, if you believe in yourself, you could do anything, man. Seriously, I wasn't making any money. Basically, in 2023, I was losing money. A lot of people gave up on me, and I still never quit, and I put faith in myself. I put God, and, you know, I believed in myself. So seriously, man, if you believe in yourself and you truly think you could do something, do it, man. Because they gonna hate you when you down, but they gonna love you when you up. And right now, we up.